What's up there, people? Today's the day we're going to be switching the African cichlid and Boona fry from the 75 to the 55 in the basement. Before we do that, we're going to take the necessary steps to make sure everything is kosher. Got to test the water. Got to, that's actually pretty much it. Just got to test the water. I bought 2 sponges for my intakes on Amazon the other day, and I don't know where the hell they went. The one that I have on here on the left is a old sponge. The reason that I use sponges on my intakes, especially in this tank in particular, is because the fryer is so small, and I know I should put them in the 20 gallon, but I really just think that they'd flourish in here, so that's what we're gonna do. But I have to find my other sponges, or maybe I'll finagle something with some filter floss and put it around there so I don't come down one morning and there's no goddamn fish in here. What do you think, Mama? Ready to put them in there? Huh? Ready to get the fish in there? Hello? Yep. Say, yeah, Daddy, I'm ready. We're gonna put the fish in the tank. Fish in the tank. Fish in the tank. But maybe wondering where the hell all the fry went. Well, they're in there. All right. So we got the babies ready to go into the big tank. It's a big day for these guys. Big day.